Lolo. I freaking love you, Lolo. You're my best. My motherfucking friend. We're gonna go running tomorrow. Feed some more goats. Like, what it do? What it do? Feed some goats. What was I gonna tell you? Something important. You should call me tonight so we can have another talk about St. Louis. Yes, it's coming up. About to be hella fun. Like, what it do? Oh shit. Dropped it. Lolo? Guess what? You're probably on the wall somewhere. Look. Okay, look. Let's find Lolo. I don't care what Chase is because I know you don't care what my middle name is. Where is Lolo's ass? Dominique? Oh, you with the cuts? Oh, we see you. Oh, we do. Lola? What it do? So, I love you. And